Welcome to the world of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, where Robert Kiyosaki introduces us to two pivotal characters, his own father, the poor dad, and his friend's father, the rich dad. This book is a journey through contrasting financial perspectives and life lessons. Poor Dad, an educated and traditional thinker, believed in conventional wisdom: work hard, earn a salary, and save. Rich Dad, a savvy businessman, preached a different sermon: understand money, invest, and create wealth. These differing philosophies form the book's backbone. Kiyosaki stresses the power of financial literacy. He argues that understanding how money works, knowing the difference between assets and liabilities, and learning about investing is crucial. This knowledge is the key to stepping out of the rat race and paving the path to financial independence. A pivotal lesson from Rich Dad: invest in assets, not liabilities. Assets like stocks or real estate generate income. Liabilities like loans and unnecessary luxuries drain your finances. This simple yet profound understanding can revolutionize one's financial destiny. Rich Dad's wisdom extends beyond mere finance. It's about cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles, taking calculated risks, and learning from failures. This mindset is not just about making money, but about making smart money. Kiyosaki's personal journey, influenced by Rich Dad, illustrates the liberation from the rat race. By making informed financial choices and creating passive income, one can achieve financial freedom, breaking free from living paycheck to paycheck. In conclusion, Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't just a book. It's a mindset shift. It's about choosing to be the master of your finances rather than a slave to them. It encourages readers to educate themselves financially, to invest wisely, and to view money as a tool for creating a life of freedom and prosperity. The main takeaways can be summed up here. 1. Embrace financial literacy to make informed decisions. 2. Invest in assets, minimize liabilities. 3. Adopt an entrepreneurial mindset for financial growth.